ni wedi dod i Parc Caerol yn Rhuthun heddiw ac mae'n lle addas iawn i ddod â prams ac i plant bach rhedeg o gwmpas. Mae lawer o bethau i weld yma. Today we've come to Rhuthun Playground and it's lovely here, suitable for prams and have a walk around. There's lots to see here.
Oh, shall we sing A Sailor Went to Sea, Sea, Sea? A sailor went to sea, 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 to see what he could see, see, see. And all that he could see, 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 was the bottom of the deep blue sea, sea, sea. Hey, what about some rowing? Shall we go rowing, everybody? We're in our pirate ship. Here we go. Row, row, row your boat across the reservoir. If you see a pirate, stop and say ooh-ar. That's a funny one.
Wel, da ni wedi dod i fan arbennig yn fan hyn. Dych chi'n gweld dwy alarch bach yn fan hyn. Maen nhw'n eistedd, felly fe rai ni ddod yn ôl mewn dipyn i weld yr elych bach. Here we are, we've come to a nice special place. And can you see the swans over there? They're sitting on their necks and we'll have to come back soon to see the little cygnets. Be am ganu dau dderyn bach ar ben y to. Dau dderyn bach ar ben y to. Dyma Jim a dyma Joe. Dos I ffwrdd Jim a dos I ffwrdd Joe. Tydyn ôl Jim a tydyn ôl Joe. Oh. Shall we sing Two Little Dicky Birds Sitting on a Wall? Two little dicky birds sitting on a wall. One named Peter and one named Paul. Fly away, Peter, fly away, Paul. Come back, Peter, and come back, Paul. Yes.
Shall we sing Six Little Ducks? Six little ducks that I once knew. Fat one's skinny, one's fair, one's two. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Down to the river they would go, whiffle wobble to and fro. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, quack, quack. Home from the river they would come, whiffle wobble, ho, ho, hum. But the one little duck with a feather on his back, he led the others with a quack, 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 quack. He led the others with a quack, 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 quack. Oh, da iawn!
O, be am gael picnic yn y parc a canu? Be sydd yn y basged picnic, basged picnic, basged picnic? Be sydd yn y basged picnic, rhywbeth neis I fi. Afal sy'n y basged picnic, basged picnic, basged picnic. Afal sy'n y basged picnic, afal blasus I mi. Creision sy'n y basged picnic, basged picnic, basged picnic. Creision sy'n y basged picnic, creision blasus I mi. Brechdan sy'n y basged picnic, basged picnic. Brechdan sy'n y basged picnic, brechdan blasus I mi. O, dwi am cael o rwan. Hwyl!
Or shall we sing one of our favourite songs, Teddy Goes on the Swing? And here he is ready. Pawb yn barod? Teddy goes on the swing. Teddy goes on the slide. Whee! Teddy goes on the swing. And Teddy goes on the slide. And he goes tick-tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes. Tick-tock, forwards and back. Round and round he goes. Hooray! Yn Gymraeg, barod? Teddy'n mynd ar y siglen. Teddy'n mynd ar y sleid. Whee! Teddy'n mynd ar y siglen. A Teddy'n mynd ar y sleid. Tic-toc, nôl ymlaen. Rownd a ni. Tic-toc, nôl ymlaen. Rownd a ni. Hooray! Hei-iaw!
O, be am ganu Seesaw Jack y Do? A mae Ted yn mynd i ddod hefyd o hefo ni. Seesaw Jack y Do, dal y deryn dan y do, mynd i Lundain i roi tro, dyna ddiwe Jack y Do. Unwaith eto? Seesaw Jack y Do, dal y deryn dan y do, mynd i Lundain i roi tro, dyna ddiwe Jack y Do. O, da! O, da ni wedi cael hwyl yn y parc yn Rhuthun heddiw. Be am ganu hwyl fawr? Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Hwyl, bye bye!